Christmas. Oh, this is too dark.
Is she vlogging?
She is.
Yeah.
Let me come make my rounds.
Who am I to the sugar pie? I don't know yet. She could be a hoe for sure.
Hey, Mary, hold on. Hey. I can't. It's the woo 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 for me. Hey, period. Hey, Ayoki Oaks. Hey, Ayoki Oaks. Hey, Ayoki Oaks.
So we gotta go to the store.
Yep, I'm ready. Okay, there goes some focus.
It ain't great.
Okay, Quay's happy to be out of New York.
New York is great.
Yup, it sure is dead. Whew. Okay, we are on our way to the supermarket to finish the rest of our Christmas dinner shopping.
Christmas.
Yes, Merry Christmas, guys. Don't worry, our masks are right here. Don't try me in the comments. Right. Period.
Be healthy.
Right. All right. Woo. Okay, Ricky's making drinks.
I'm making the drink, you know.
Hey.
My position, making alcohol drink. Period. Okay.
Okay, I see you, Quay. Hey. Okay. Oh, guess what? I accomplished it. I made my ass clap. I was excited. I know you can do it. Not you, guys.
Let's see.
The phone drops. Wait. Any macaroni when you lay your cheese.
Y'all heard that? Y'all heard?
Yeah, what instrument?
Hey. All right, Miss
Shot
o'clock. All right, girl, yes. Ooh, yours a bit thicker than mine.
Okay, Merry
Cheers.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas, girl.
My damn bitch.
Woo.
Ow.
Okay. Yeah, and that was on camera. Great. That's great. Okay. Don't take shots of tequila before you gotta make some salmon. That's the lesson here that I learned today.
Yeah, that's why I'm out.
That's Quay said I had to get out of New York.
So boring. It's so dead. Pretty ill.
Where's 9?
So what we doing here? We get in. We're going to this New Year.
I'll see y'all in New Year. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Yes. So I'm out of here, baby.
You want some onions?
Yeah, I can put onion in there. I had some minced onion in there. Might as well add some flavor. Alright, and then you seal it tightly. Make sure that the butter is all over the foil just because you want to make it nice and soft when it comes out. You want no dry ass salmon, okay?
Where's the sponge? Are you making the sponge?
It's not in the same? Oh. Alright, this is the first cut. Won't you say my name? Say my name. I'm coating the, so yeah, now you can see the process. I'm coating the aluminum foil. I'm about to wrap it in with butter first. This is how I meal prep too, so y'all can see it firsthand.
Is this your first time not going home? No.
Alright. You put the lemon slices on at the bottom of it. So boom, coating in butter. Do I need a whole lemon? I guess so. I don't know where the rest of the lemon is. I think I finished it. So.
Yeah.
I'm being so ghetto right now, y'all.
She's always on mute. Speak up!
Okay. You want thin slices of lemon on it? You don't want them to be too big. And we don't waste, so we use the bottom too. Get our slab of salmon. That's a goddamn. It's a big ass piece of salmon. Oh, not my hair. Oh baby. All right. A little bit of oil to coat. Don't use too much because you don't want some oily ass fish. Oh my god, I curse so much when I talk. Okay, just rubbing it in. Make sure you can't even see that. Hold on. Rubbing it.
What about my chapstick? Is that some chapstick or anything?
And now I'm just gonna put the seasoning on. It's a combination of rosemary, garlic powder, minced onions, black pepper, Himalayan pink salt, something else. Put a little tahini in there. That's slices of lemon on top.
What happened?
Hello?
Not too much, probably like 3 on this size. Oh, I'm too. Okay, yeah, this is it. I'm not talking no. Chicken. Yum. I made the salmon. Yum. Let's move this out to the side. This is the taste tester over here. Ziggy, do you approve of the salmon?
Like that type of style. Yeah, he's cute. No, he's cute. But how young you said?
19.
My only hesitation really is
This
just short.
is it lemon pepper?
That's my only.
Basically, I guess.
Never, but I would never take
It's so
it.
zesty and peppery.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
You'll take that. Oh my god.
It's very delightful.
Let me try.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Right
Let's see
here.
what we can think.
So right, here we go.
I hate this video.
Oh!
Oh, it's on.
Oh! Cleo!
I hate the face.
It's the flavoring for me. That fucking busted in my mouth.
Okay.
Girl.
Is it red snap?
Cleo.
Snap.
It's good?
You put your ass in this, girl. You put your ass in this.
Yay!
This lemon. It's like
I thought you were giving lemon pepper.
Okay.
I didn't make sense.
I tried to say my fun. I tried Joseph for a girl.
No, you never did. It's a remote.
Because what I gotta make.
Okay, oh, there we go. You see that spread behind?
So let's see my friend's reaction to our food.
I can see everything.
First day you get braids, your forehead be looking crisp. Okay? Shit shiny, I know. Thank you. Well, Christmas went great. I don't even know if I should talk about this, but hey, Christmas was great. Vlogmas, my first Vlogmas. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Mwah.